Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got, where nail things happen, so you might as well subscribe. It is time for our September Mani by Me Maniology box, and I think we should dive right in, don't you? Let's see what's in here. We have inside the box. You guys, did they find a way? Did they find a way to send us candy again? This would be amazing and awesome. You know, they used to send those pineapple gummies and they couldn't anymore for whatever reason it was. Maybe they get to send us candy now. I don't know. Can't wait to try my mango soft jelly. Woohoo! That is my receipt. This is our... Whoa, there's fun stuff in here. There's additional things. Okay, so let's have a look. By the way, I like to be surprised, so I'm not going to read this. You're welcome to pause there and have a look. But I'm not going to read it because I like to be surprised. I'm not exactly sure, but I do know that this is going to be their Halloween box. They like to submit it early, so it usually comes in September. So it looks like which work is going to be the tutorial. And what else do we have here? So there is the tutorial. If you want to pause that, you're welcome to. And that's how to do this particular manicure. And I will be doing a video about this tutorial a little bit later. And a scratch card. What is this, you guys? It's a scratch card. Rub the magic crystal ball with a coin to reveal your fortune. What? What? I don't know what this is. One lucky winner will receive the grand prize, a 12-month Mani by Me subscription. What will your future hold? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the video so I can actually read this one real quick. Maniology, you are full of surprises in this box. Like, seriously, candy and then an opportunity to get a coupon code. You could win something big. I'm super excited, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this and share it with you guys because I want to use my coupon code. You know what I'm saying? Okay. We'll do that in a second. Let me pull this out of the box. This is what our little package looks like. I'll get rid of the box. Wham! And then we're gonna go back to our scratch card. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna scratch it live with you guys, but I'm gonna hide it in case it's something that I need to cover up and only use for myself. Is that bad? Okay, what does it scrape? Stamp, swoon, and smile is what it says. I got something free. I already have a lot of that though, so I guess I could go ahead and share. Well, I don't know how this goes, so I just scratched that off. This is what it says. Scrape, stamp, and swoon, and smile. Free ice cube stamper with the purchase over $30. Use code free stamper. Okay. Well, there's that one. So the first one that uses this is the first one that gets it because I don't need another ice cube stamper. I have like a million of them. So the first person who watches this, you are welcome to use the code. Go for it. That was fun though. Thank you, Maniology. That was super fun. And another opportunity, they always have such great deals anyway, but another opportunity to get more money off is always great. I'm grateful for it. Okay, so what do we have? Oh, I think this is that green powder. Yes, like it's wicked. Okay, let's start with that. Scratchy, 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 blah, 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 blah. So this is supposed to be, I love that they called it Wicked, by the way. This is one of their pigment powders, or their, what's the other word other than pigment powder? I don't know, I can't think of it. I'm just so excited. It is going to be a beautiful color. And I am gonna go ahead, this is an old manicure that oh man, I just wasted half of it all over me. Anyway, and yes, there's just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. Some people were talking about how little there was in there. It goes a really long way. I'm going to just kind of use the eyelash, what is this called? Eyeshadow applicator that they gave us, and I'm just gonna apply some to this old manicure. Sorry, you can see how grown out it is. You can see how terrible my cuticles look. I'm just putting a touch, you should be able to see kind of how it's going to end up looking. Well, maybe not. It looks really good over black. I wonder if this is part of the tutorial. Yeah, I'm not sure it's going to work over my top coat, but you can kind of see that it's already going to give that shimmery, shiny, but it's real, yeah. It's really, I've seen it on other people and it looks fantastical. Let's see if they use it in this real quick. Yeah, okay, so when you watch my tutorial, you can see that I use the Wicked powder. That'll be fun. That'll be fun, 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 and I can't wait. That looks like a really beautiful, wonderful green. So thanks Maniology for yet another awesome extra thing. So by the way, here's the, part of the color. It's really pretty. Okay, and let's look at our plates real quick. These are our two Mani by Me plates. The first one is MXM063. Wow, that's cool. So these are like, this is like a pumpkin snowman. That's interesting. Oh, that says Halloween. You could put one on each finger. That would be so cool. And then you've got little monster portraits and things. You've got this kind of checkerboard pattern, Friday the 13th, witches' hats, creepy crawly stuff and poisons and stuff. Oh, whoops. I don't know if you saw that. Sorry about that. Spider webs. Very cool. This is, it's different than what they normally have for Halloween, but I like it. And then our other plate is MXM064. Let's have a look at what's on here. We've got some skeletons, cats, a great big fly. Okay. This one is, oh, that's a rib cage. Nice. What are these images? Oh, a skull with wings. Interesting. And then over here we just have some monster faces, which are cute. Is it a mushroom with an eyeball in it? That's a little creepy. And then just different images in this kind of crisscross design. Those are different than what they normally produce, so I'm happy with that. Excited to use it. Let's open up this guy too. Give me some scissors so I can get in here. Oh, yeah. And I don't know what the colors are. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Gloom. It's like a purple with a gold tint to it. Like metallic gold pieces. Wow. I hope some of that comes through on the stamping of that. Ooh, this is a pretty one too. This one is Doom. Orange with another gold shimmer to it. Let's just kind of open them and look at them before we stamp them. Really pretty. I'm not sure how much of that gold is going to, like, it probably won't stay in the threads it's in, if that makes sense. Like this has a thread of gold that I can see right here and right here. Like right here. I don't think it's going to continue to do that, but it doesn't. But you can definitely see the gold influence and little specks in there. Okay, let's swatch these. Let's have a look at the Gloom first. I do have a clean surface. I need to get my stamper though. Duh. Got it ready now. All right. Put a little bit of Gloom on there. Scrape it off. Pick it up. Put it on. It's dark and you can't see any of the gold in it, I don't think. So maybe if you were to do your whole finger with it, you might get some of that gold flaky. Dang. But I'm not really seeing it in the stamp, unfortunately. Kind of sad because it looks way just more purple than it does Although I don't know with a thin stamp like that, I'm not sure how you would really see it. We'll do a quick swatch of just a stripe of it to see how much of that you can see in there in a minute. All right, now let's try the Doom. Gloom and Doom. Oh my gosh, Gloom and Doom, I love it. It's so cute. Maniology, I see you. I see you, Maniology. I see what you're trying to do. Boom. 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 Ooh, that's interesting. That is a different kind of orange. First of all, it stamps really well over black, which is not usual. And you can tell the shimmer in the orange. And it almost over white, it almost has like a pink tinge to it. Very interesting. Let me see if I can bring it closer for you guys. I am very interested by this color and what it has to offer. Okay, let's just do a quick on top of our, I'm gonna bring you in a little closer. We would just do a quick stripe of the Doom color, just so you can kind of see how it's gonna, you can see that kind of red, I mean pinky color in there, can't you? You definitely get a lot more of the shimmer. You can see it when you, and honestly, the stamp is very shimmery as well. Come on, focus, you can do it. I believe in you, iPhone. You can do it. Maybe you can't. Okay, that's best as it's gonna get. Okay, now we're all over to the Gloom. Let's just do a stripe of this one and see where it takes us. You can see the flecks of gold in it, but that's about all you're gonna get. They do look very cool though. So let me see if I can pick this up and kind of, I don't know if you're seeing the flecks of gold, but I certainly can see the flecks of gold and it's pretty cool. It just looks like a metallic purple. I mean, which really it is, but it's a gold metallic purple, not a silvery one. Okay, so there we have it. Let's review all of the stuff we just unboxed out of this fantabulous kit. We have the two colors that we mentioned, Gloom and Doom. I gotta back you guys up so you can see a little bit better. Here we go. We had our cards that were the description of the things inside. Let's just review that real quick. It talks about the different Gloom and Doom, and it talks about the Wicked powder in here. And then we had our tutorial card, Witch Work. And we had really this awesome, super cool way to get prizes. So thank you, Maniology. That was really neat. So that was pretty awesome. So there's that. And they did find a way to give us a yummy gummy. And finally, we got the color Wicked and an applicator for Wicked. That green, very pretty powder. Okay, so there we have it. There is your September Mani by Me box. I hope you guys love Maniology as much as I do. And if you do, please don't forget that you can use my code GrooveMama to get 10% off of your order at Maniology.com. So until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got.